Still struggling with piles of receipts and slow manual sales? Switch to UzaPoint Smart POS. Simple, fast, and stress-free. Still struggling to access credit, insurance, or payments? UzaPoint opens doors to financial services built around your business performance. Still struggling to juggle M-Pesa, ETR, SMS, and e-commerce separately? With UzaPoint, it's all integrated. One system, one click. Still struggling with outdated tools? UzaPoint Hardware Kits keeps your business sharp, fast, and professional. Stop struggling. Start growing. With UzaPoint, your business runs smarter, faster, and stress-free. UzaPoint, the partner that grows with you.